back to Moms the Word. O Mommy, naka-third gap na tayo. I-wrap up mo na ang camber natin.
Okay. So, with the presence of Brother and BR here and Joanna, we would like to at least sum up itong ating premarital sex theme. After that, siguro yung mga some comments about this whole topic. Brother, would you like to give one last message about the topic that we have had today? Feeling mo ba, brother, with this topic that we have talked about, marami tayong mag-influence sa mga kabataan not to do the acts not before marriage?
Very timely po itong topic natin ngayon, premarital sex. Dahil nga po yung sabi po sa statistics, increase po ng number ng cases ng mga unwanted pregnancies. Saka po, ito po yung nangyayari na po ngayon. At ito pong topic natin tonight is a reminder. It will serve as a reminder to mga kabataan po na nanonood at saka sa mga parents na patuloy na nagbibigay aral sa ating mga kabataan na yung premarital sex po ay immoral po yun. This is an intrinsically evil act kasi nga po yung sex po is oriented towards procreation, and this procreation is something which finds its ultimate place doon po sa marriage. At kung ito po yung magiging stand natin at kung ito po yung ipagpapatuloy natin na sasabihin sa ating mga kabataan, naniniwala po ako na atin pong maiiwasan tong mga unwanted pregnancies, tong mga sakit na dulot ng premarital sex, at saka sa mga guilt ng mga husbands and couples na una po they engage into this kind of yun lang.
Okay. So much. Well said, brother.
Yes, how about DR? Can you give message or to your fellow kabataan out there?
And before you do something, think first, pag-isipan po mabuti na maiging para wala po tayong magsisiyan sa ulit.
Ganda nun.
Oo naman, magsisiyan ka na ulit. And si Joanna.
Study first. Sex can wait and opportunity can. Kaya dapat wag nating hayaan na magsisi tayo sa huli at yung dapat wag nating hayaan na magsisi tayo sa mga gagawin natin. Dapat mag-isip muna tayo bago natin gawin kung ano yung gusto natin.
Okay, very good. Magaganda ng mga conviction ng mga kabataan ngayon. Ako, very strong siguro itong aking, it's a bold statement na kung meron tayo gagawin isang bagay, we have to show. We have to witness. We don't just tell. Iba kasi pag tinitell mo lang, sa talagang pinapakita mo, ginagawa mo. So, with the whole thing, nakita natin yung advantage, disadvantage, others may agree with us, others may not agree, but the bottom line of all these topics is that still, we don't forget that God is there to guide us. Kaya narito yung ating mga words of wisdom to guide us always. Kasi, at the end of the day, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin ni Sisi na, ginusto ko Remember, God is always there, watching over us. We may agree, we may not agree. Pero yung faith natin, nandun pa rin lagi. Thank you so much.
Sheila, and with that, I'd like to read mga comments ng ating mga friends online. Yan, nag-comment sila sa atin.
Regarding
sa topic na yan. Ako, ito ha. Sabi nung isang friend natin, there is absolutely nothing wrong with sex. The issue here is not about sex at all. Rather, it's about the effects of sex that we should be focusing on. Let's say, an adolescent had sex. There's nothing wrong with that, but the mere fact that it may entail a possible pregnancy or an abortion is what is questioned. So liberation, no, it's not an issue, but the fact that young ones are at it and may jeopardize the well-cultivated future those of us who are older have created is what is bugging us. We continue to say that sex should be more valued in order for the youth to put it on. Pwede sa lang haba ng nobela ni Fred.
Okay.
To make them realize that in the end, whatever comes out of the act should be something that does not hold meaning to them. The sex call is what you want Ang haba, te.
Oo, sige. Sige, ikat mo na.
Okay, nasa na ba siya?
Ikat mo na.
What discussion is the immorality that comes when a baby is in the picture or how it may influence others?
Yan ang problema kasi. Kasalanan na nga, nanganganak pa ng iba pang kasalanan.
Oo, parang ganon. Ito naman, aminin na natin, talamak na talaga, isang friend ulit talamak na talaga yung PMS dito sa Pilipinas. Human nature na yan. Ang tanong handa na ba ang kabataan sa consequences na hatid nito?
Ayan.
O, yan. And another friend, meron pa, sex is not a proof of love to your partner. A boy-girl relation can survive long even without sex. Sex is sanctified activity that requires thorough and deep planning and analysis and not an activity for leisure or an experiment. So, marami pa tayong comment, Mami, pero naku, yan ang mga comments ng mga friends natin sa online.
Okay, tama nga naman. Ang mga kabataan ba ngayon, pag pumasok sa isang relasyon, love or lust, diba? Diba, brother? Parang ina-associate nila yung relation sa ganon. Kaya sabi ko nga, ang daming pwedeng puntahan nito. So I think that would end and seal the very nice discussion that we have had in this episode of Mom. Sana, no, dami nating tawag dito, na-convince ng mga mommies out there, kagaya nating mommies and young alike, young and old alike, na let's take this seriously. This is not a joke. This is not going to be a joke. So, before
we end, naku, baka meron kayong gustong batiin, brother.
Baka gusto mo batiin yung friend dyan at sinama mo. Mga mega bati tayo, brother, sa ICST.
Binabati ko po yung kaibigan ko si Kenneth Asares.
Asan ba siya, brother?
Kenneth Asares po na
Lagi siyang nandiyan sa tabi mo. Wow, brother.
Tsaka yung mga seminarians po ng ICST, at tsaka yung mga formators po namin.
Oo, pinayagang kayo, brother. Wala na po ibang mga friends na babatiin. Sila lang, friends mo, brother. Hindi tatlo. Wala pa mga girlfriends. Talaga,
Girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
How about DR? Do you want to greet anybody?
Mag-hi lang ako dyan sa mga relatives ko po dyan sa Kawayan, tsaka sa mga tao pong sumusuporta po ngayon dyan. Nanonood po siguro.
Si Joanna, mga ka-friendships ni Joanna.
Sa UNP.
Hi to my family kasi yung sa College of Health Sciences, especially to 3D sections.
Okay.
Sa lahat ng mga taga-UNP. Miss UNP ka.
First runner-up Nahiya. Teka, may nagpapabate dito. Dumating, hindi naman nagpakita sa atin.
Okay,
Hi daw and happy viewing to Vicky, to Victoria, to John Joseph, to Ma'am Nova, and to all the happy families out there from Bruce. Willie? Bruce Wayne. Hindi nagpakita sa akin si Wayne, Lagot ka. Hi to... Ako lagot sa akin si Wayne. And, mga band sponsors natin.
Syempre, we would like to say thank you to our sponsors, Mr. and Mrs. Nolly Morales of Nolly Morales Salon, located at 2nd floor Landmark Building, Jose Singso Street, Vigan City. And ako, good news mga mommies out there and mga dalagas. Meron po silang Christmas promo. Milk Ribbon, 25% off digital perm, 25% off sa regular ribbon. Kailangan ako, 1499 lang. Any length yan, mga mommies. Kaya bora na.
Okay, so Trends and Trends for our accessories.
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Janet. Maraming salamat. Yes, thank you so much to my sister-in-law Janina for my earrings for today. Please visit bellaluna.multiply.com. Thank you so much to Father Nick Baquilar. Nako, maraming salamat po, Father, sa support, tsaka pinadala niyo po sila, brother, dito. And yes, belated happy birthday to Mr. Raven Panella. Yan. And syempre, I would like to say hello to my family, Mommy Eva, Daddy Ferdy, hello, Joanna, Janina, to my husband Carlo, Yuna, Uno, hello, Nak, and to Weng and Ate Lori, hello, welcome to Vigan City. Diba? To my friends, John, Bernie, Karen, Ate Ann, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Please visit Los Mahitos, Mami.
Okay. Welcome back.
And Leila's. Sorry.
Ooh.
Yes. welcome back to Miss Rochelle.
Miss Rochelle, welcome back. Hi. Tsaka, wait. Hello to Miss Lilian Lopez of Divine Word College. Alam mo ba? She's watching.
Ako, hello.
Mga Divinians. Tsaka yung Enfians. Ilocos High. And all schools in Bigan. Around Bigan. And to my family, Rudy, Kay, Lorraine. I hope napapanood niyo to. Nasa Baguio. And to batch 85 of St. William's Institute High School Department. Nanonood ang aking mga former students. Kenneth is my former student. Friendly brother. Andito siya ngayon.
Oo.
You
Nako.
na.
Yes, nako. And please visit Layla's Coffee Shop. Punta kayo doon. Masarap ang crepes.
masarap ng kanilang
Sandwiches,
crepe.
coffee.
Yeah.
Do visit
You asked Ed and
beside
Barbie.
Los Majitos.
Ang
Pwede
sarap
cross
ng
order.
crepe.
Oh,
Chocolate.
what else? And sa staff ng Decor, maraming salamat sa inyo for
Yes.
always talagang bearing with us. Talagang gano'n. Matadagdag kami mga mommies.
And
Oo.
lastly,
May special guest tayo, mami, ngayon na nandito sa studio. Yuna! Oh, talaga naman, wala lang. Hello, Yuna.
Okay,
Ayan.
lastly.
Hi, Yuna! Say hello! Oo.
Hello, hello. At saka ating mga guests, most especially would like to express our gratitude to our guests.
Yes,
Si brother,
thank you.
I know napaka-conservative niya, hindi siya lumalabas, pero pinalabas.
Correct.
And to our
Thank you so
young
much.
young brood here.
Yes, to
Juan
DR and to
Meron tayong bagong
Joanna.
mga anak-anak.
Nako, yan.
O, lahat ng
Maraming
nag-guest ng mga
salamat.
bata, inaanak namin. Nakikano kami, no?
Maraming salamat sa effort, sa time na binigay niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Na-appreciate po namin yan. And ako, mga mommies, sa susunod po, next episode, get ready. Nako, abangan niyo po ang aming inahanda sa inyo.
Naku, isa pang mainit-init yan.
Maganda.
Oo.
Matututo sila.
Ay,
Marami
nako.
tayong tips na ibibigay.
Marami dyan, controversial din.
Ang episode po natin next week, organization, let's organize.
Pati thoughts
mommies,
natin,
marami kayong
yung
mga
organize
dyan na
natin.
kukuhang tips and yes, everything can bolar. Nako, ayan na po. Dahil dyan, nako, sana po sumabaybay po kayo lagi sa amin sa nag-iisang talk show ng mga mommies.
Pati na rin ng mga daddies at ng buong pamilya.
This is Moms the Word!
Ang dami na po natin.
Yay! Thank you, Mom!
Madre, nabubuhan ha?
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
for jesting. Thank you.
Bantay?
Thank you.
Bantay?